how to cancel membership on Patreon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, have you tried taking a membership in Patreon and now want to cancel it? Then you're in the right place. I'll show you a step by step guide on how to do it. Let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and head over to Patreon. Then you need to go to settings on the left hand side. Now head over to memberships. All of your memberships will appear here and you can see the membership that you have taken. Now to cancel it, tap on the three dots beside it and you can see cancel membership. Just tap on it and then the membership will be cancelled. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.